Hi, this is Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage Doors. I'm going to talk to you today about the life expectancies of your garage door springs. We've got two types of springs. First, there's the extension spring. Looks like this. Secondly, torsion spring. If you have a big double door, 16, 18 feet wide, you're going to have the torsion springs. If you have a small door, you could have either one. With the torsion springs, in the old days I used to say these springs would last you 8 to 12 years. Nowadays, I think it's closer to 5 to 8 years. And part of the reason why we're getting recycled springs, steel from China. And we're having more springs break. We're having to warranty springs more often within the first couple years, and they just don't last as long. The second factor with these springs and how long they're gonna last is the size of the springs. If you have a lighter door and you've got smaller springs, that spring is going to break faster than a very big spring on a door that weighs a lot more. Also, how much you use your garage door is going to factor in on how long these springs are going to last. If you're going in and out of your garage door 6 or 8 times a day, that spring is going to break faster than somebody that's putting their door up and down once or twice a day. As far as the extension springs go, these springs are going to last about twice as long. This spring is going to typically last 10 to 15 years. Again, same factors as if you use your door more, it's going to break faster. If you can make sure that you've got a WD-40 or some type of lubrication on the springs, you're going to get some longer life out of the springs as well. Hopefully this was helpful. Have a great day.